You know, what if the secret to your best workout had nothing to do with touching a single weight? Seriously, today we're going to dive into some visualization secrets, basically how to mentally pregame your workout for way better results. Yep, it all really kicks off with this idea right here. What if your best workout starts in silence? It's a pretty wild thought, right? That maybe the most crucial rep you do all day happens in your head, way before you even start moving. And that brings us right to this core idea, the mind's warm-up. We're about to get into why getting your brain ready is every bit as important as, stretching or doing a few light sets. Okay, so look at this. It really breaks down two totally different ways to think about training. On one hand, you've got training hard. We all know this one, right? Just pure physical effort. But the risk there is burnout or worse, getting injured because your form is off. But then there's training smart. This is where you bring in that mental prep. It's not just about building willpower. It's about nailing down your mechanics before you even start the lift. This is what makes all that hard work actually count.
So what is this mental tool we keep talking about? Well, let's get right into it and define it. What is visualization, really?
All right, let's be super clear. Visualization is not just daydreaming about being strong. No way. It's a focused, deliberate mental rehearsal. You're successfully performing a physical movement in your mind before you even begin. It's like creating a mental blueprint for success. You're literally drawing the map that your muscles are going to follow. And this quote just nails it perfectly. You can't achieve what the mind can't conceive. Think about that. If you can't even picture yourself doing a perfect lift in your head, how much harder is it going to be for your body to actually do it? This mental run-through literally paves the way for the real thing. So what's this mental blueprint actually doing for you? Well, a whole lot. For starters, it builds real willpower. It actually primes your muscles by firing off those neural signals before you even move an inch. And it helps guarantee your mechanics are spot on because, hey, you've already run through it perfectly in your mind. All of this just solidifies that mind-muscle connection, and, maybe the biggest one, it gives you a huge shot of confidence. Okay, so you get the what and the why. Now for the fun part, the how. Let's get super practical. Time for your mental pregame. And you're gonna love this because it's so simple. We're breaking it down into a super easy 3-step visualization method. All you have to remember is this. Find your focus, see the success, and feel the movement. That's it. Let's walk through each one.
First up, step 1, find your focus. This is the foundation, okay? Before you start your workout, just find a quiet moment. That's it. Close your eyes and pick one specific exercise to focus on. Don't try to visualize your whole routine, just one lift you really want to crush.
All right, next up, step 2, see the success. Now that you've got that one lift in your mind, I want you to see yourself doing it with perfect form. Absolutely flawless. Watch the whole rep happen from the very beginning to the very end. And here's the critical part. There's no struggle. It's just smooth, strong, and successful. And finally, we have step 3. Feel the movement. This is the secret sauce. This is what makes it feel real. Don't just watch it in your head. Feel it. Imagine all the little details. Feel the grip of the bar in your hands. Feel the tension in your muscles as they engage. That controlled, powerful motion. The more real you can make it feel, the more powerful this whole thing becomes. And that whole process right there, that's the absolute essence of what we're talking about. It's training smart, not just hard. And you know what the best part is? This doesn't take forever. We are talking about 1 minute. A single, powerful minute. That's why you need to go through these steps. It's a quick, super high-impact tool you can use before any workout to see a real difference. So what should you take away from all of this? What's in it for you? Well, by investing that 1 little minute, you're building a way stronger mind-body connection. You're going to walk up to that weight with way more confidence. You're literally forging a path to better willpower, and you're handing yourself a tool to make sure your form is perfect every single time. So that really just leaves us with one final thought, one question. Your body is always going to follow your mind. So, where are you going to lead it?